Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a 61 plate Kia Sportage. This vehicle had got one of the Chinese radios that a customer had replaced and absolutely hated it. It was typically quite bad, as most of you that have used these Chinese add-ons know. What we've actually done with this, we fitted a KENWOOD DMX5020DABS and also use the ACV installation part. So what I'll do is I'll show you what we've done now, how it looks in the vehicle, because this actually fits lovely, works lovely, and I'm certain the customer will be over the moon with what we've done. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. Just going to talk you through some of the stuff that we've done. So this is the fitting kit fascia, as you can see here, fits lovely in the dash. The other one before, truthfully, was held in with foam, which was really not that good. As you can see now, we've got CarPlay. So this is the interface for the CarPlay, and I'm going to the screen, going to the functions and features for CarPlay, which is good. Steering wheel controls, we've managed obviously to keep working through the interface. We've put, with this one, the customer was happy to put the USB in the glove box and the phone in the glove box. We've got a couple of things. So there's a microphone up there by the rear view mirror, and with the DAB aerial there. Now, one thing this did have is a reverse camera. So what we've done again with this is retain the reverse camera. So when we pop it in reverse, and you can see there's the reverse, because the screen's got the facility. So for further information on upgrading your Kia or any vehicle, truthfully, by adding CarPlay, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.